Hi friends, this video we are going to see how to plot a vector valued functions. Okay, so first of all we are going to start with vector field. What is the vector field? Let D be a set in R2, that is, suppose we are in the xy plane. So a vector field on R2 is a function that is we denote it as a f vector that assigns each point in domain xd a two-dimensional vector f of x comma y. The meaning is, suppose you have the xy plane. This is your xy plane. So every point is assigned to a vector. Okay. So that point, that type of field is called a vector field. Okay. Now we see one example. So f vector equal to minus y I plus x times j. Our aim is how to manually draw this vector field. Okay. Suppose so too I will take this sample point. X is 0, x comma y is 0 comma 1. So this implies y value is 1. So minus I 0 j. Then x equal to 0 and y equal to minus 1. You will get I plus 0 j. 1 comma 0 we get 0 I plus j. Then minus 1 comma 0 we will get it as 0 I minus j. 1 comma 1 minus I plus j. 1 comma minus 1 I plus j. So this is the vector we are giving. So first point we want how to plot it. 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1 means, suppose x. So this is the point 0 comma 1. I will assume that. Okay. So 0 comma 1 is gives minus I plus 0. So that meaning is it gives in I direction, that is x direction, it's going to minus 1 and the j direction is 0. There is no, sorry, this is my 0 comma 1. So what is give is minus I direction. So x direction we want to go to the minus. So this is the 1 unit I will take, and there is no height is not changing, correct? So this is my 0 comma minus 0 comma 1. So 0 comma minus 1 point is, this is my point 0 comma minus 1. So what is the I direction positive and there is no j dash. So that means parallel to x axis we will go to the 1 unit length, correct? Next is 1 comma 0. This is my 1 comma 0. It gives 0 direction in the x direction, only 1 unit in the y direction. So this is, and similarly minus 1 comma 0 we will get it as 0 comma minus 8. So only there is no travel in the x direction, only y direction, then downwards. Next is 1 comma 1. So it's give minus 1 plus 8. So this is my 1 comma 1. This vector is going like, and 1 comma minus 1 is, this is the point. So this point is plotted as like that. Similarly, you can plot it all the point. It is looks like a circle only will come, correct? So this is a vector. If you are plotted, it will comes like a circle. Next is, similarly you can, instead of, if you are taking f vector is plus I minus x, what will change is only the direction only will change. What is the idea is, in the same way if you are taking, suppose this is my y, this is my x. Suppose 0 comma 1 become I. So 0 comma 1 become I, 0 comma minus 1 become minus I, 1 comma 0 is minus j, and so this guy become plus, this guy become minus, this guy become plus, this guys become minus, this guys become minus. So this is the vector will come. So 0 comma 1 become, only it will come to, this is my direction become, this is my 1 comma point, it's going to this direction. So I to the positive direction. 0 comma minus 1, this guys become this way, and 0 comma minus 1, 1 comma 0 becomes like that. So it's become clockwise direction will come. So again the same type of the vertex only will come, but if you are changing this sign, you will get it change, and here and change, if you are changing sign, and here you will get the direction only say. So here we are getting the counterclockwise direction, here we are getting clockwise direction. Okay, now next part of this video is we are going to go phase plane plot. Our aim is how to plot the phase plane. What is the phase plane? Phase plane means, suppose you have the system of two equations, that is dx1 by dt equal to f1 of x1 comma x2, dx2 divided by dt equal to f2 of x1 comma x2. Suppose if we have a system, we have the system of 2 by 2 equation, the solution can be plotted in x1 x2 plane, not in the independent variable, both are dependent variable. How you are going to plot it? So many methods are available. So if you know the how to draw the plot, it's a vector field, the same thing you can extend it to the phase plane plot also. So both are giving the same idea. Okay, so first we see, suppose dx1 by d, we take it, so we take it as dx1 divided by dt equal to x2, dx1 divided by dt equal to, sorry, x2 is x1. If you are choosing this way, suppose I take the minus sign, what will happen is, so you can, if you want to plot this vector, so you write the f vector x1 comma x2 points only we are going to, this is my x1, this is my x2, is nothing but my x2i plus x1j. So if you are changing x1 is x, x2 is y, your f1 is f1 vector means, so that suppose I take it as, so f vector is generally defined as, suppose f1 of x1 comma x2 I plus f2 of x1 comma x2 j. That way only we want to plot it. So this way you plot it means you will get the same idea. So because we already seen our example, f of f vector is minus y I plus xj. So 0 comma 1, what will come? 0 comma 1 is, 0 comma 1 is the point is here, it will go to counter clockwise direction, you will get it like that, correct? So 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0 is, you will get it, the point is like that, correct? And 0 comma 1 minus 1 comma 0 is, you will get it as this direction, you will get it, correct? So it is forms a circle, like our previous example we saw that, correct? So if you are solving, how you will can, so if you know the circle, this is correct or not, you don't know this. Now if you take it, dx2 divided by dx1 is nothing but minus x1 divided by x2. So this implies, if you are doing the separation of variable method, you will get dx2 times x2 equal to minus x1 times dx1. So this implies, if you are integrated, x2 square divided by 2 plus x1 square divided by 2 equal to some constant. Correct? This is the equation of the family of circles. That is only we are getting the solution. Okay. So usually we are the give the direction, everything. You no need to find the eigenvalue. If you know the f1 of x1 comma x2, f2 of f1 comma f2, you define the capital vector field f, then you can easily find. Suppose if you are finding the 0 comma 2 point, what will come? The 2 height will come, correct? So this point is, so this is 2 comma 0. Suppose 0 comma 2, if you are getting, you will get the 2 times. This is the way you will plot it. Very easily you can plot this type of vector field. And if you know the plot, how to plot in the vector field, you can easily extend it to the base plane also. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends. Thank you.